where are we up to now? Hi and welcome back. This is our Journey Resolution Mastery, how to achieve our goals and heart desires without giving up. And in this video, I wanted to really summarize everything we've covered so far and just to introduce the new chapter of our journey. So far, we were talking about our introduction. This was our first part. And in our introduction, I shared with us more about what is this training program all about. A little bit about me, a little about is resolution something new. We talked about what is the definition of resolutions and historical point of view as well. We gave some statistic numbers and we went through 7 pitfalls of why people are failing in their New Year's resolutions. In the second part, we talked about how to set up the right goals. We talked about what is a goal. We talked about why do we need goals. And we talked about the difference between short and long-term goals and all the variety of it. And also we talked and digged down in the SMART goals, goals that needs to be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and of course time-bound. And all these weeks covered in the last 30 plus videos. If you have missed any of them, we've made it really easy and simple for all of us. You can easily track them. All of them, they have numbers and they're in a specific sequence. So it's not just to pick any of them, but they're part of each other. So I would suggest, if you've never seen the other videos before, go back, track them, and go through the whole process. Because as I said, this is a journey. And the big takeaway of this video is that it's not just the end goal of any journey, but the beauty of a journey is who are you becoming during this journey. And I'm trying to cover as much as possible, which is relating to resolutions and how to really create a different life, how to really set up goals, heart desires, and really never give up, but really do the necessary steps and achieve them. And the big picture and the big lesson of all these journeys, actually, who am I becoming during this journey? And this is the biggest value, I believe, in everything we are doing. It's not just the end of the training program we will be doing. It's not the end of the goal that you will achieve, but it's the journey itself and the person you're becoming in order to accomplish your goals and heart desires. Because guess what? It's a template. It's like a pattern. When you learn how to use it, you can use it again and again and again, and for the next goal and for the next heart desire, and you can go continue in life, because the life is beautiful. Like this sunshine out there, it's beautiful, makes life amazing. This is what resolutions do in our life. Bring power, bring light, bring emotion and engagement and excitement. And it is possible. And this is the other big theme which I'm trying to implement in all of the videos. It is possible to achieve your goals and heart desires. Despite wherever you are, you can be somewhere else in 3, 6, or 12 months. It is possible. It is possible. I have done it in my life. I have seen it in the life of many people. I'm certain it can happen with you as well. And even you have done this before in your life. So I'm certain this can happen in your life as well. So believe, continue in the journey, and we keep going. And I'm happy to announce that the next chapter 3 of our journey, is called Mindset and Motivation. There are 2 big themes, and we'll be digging down. What is actually mindset? Why it's important? Why we're involving it in this journey? Speaking about resolution and chasing the best of our life in going further and growth and maturity and achievement. Mindset, something really, really big. And what is motivation? There is a lot of motivation, a lot of motivational speakers, but what actually is motivation? Where does it come from? Why do I need it? And all these questions we will answer in the next coming videos in our chapter 3 of our journey, resolution mastery, how to achieve our goals and our desires. So get ready, have your notes ready, your book, and we'll keep going. Thank you for your time, and we will continue with mindset in the next video. What is a mindset? Why is it important for us? We will discuss in the next video. So thank you for your time. I'll see you soon. Bye.